Hey guys, and welcome to Creations by Autumn. Today I'm going to show you how to use, it's another part of our cleaning process. Last time in a past video I did a transfer cleaning video, how to clean the transfer properly or the ways that you can if you don't have the products that we offer on the chalk site. But that's a past video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the amazing paste scraper that we have on my chalk site, or if you decide to become a designer, this is something that you could purchase to use, and they're really amazing. So I'm going to show you how to use it on one of our surfaces that you can actually erase. Some of our surfaces that you use, you can't take any of the product off, but on particular ones that you can. And that particular one that I have today is the board and base. And this one I've been having this picture on it for a while now. I think I've had it on there for a past video, but this is the one that I wanted to do something a little different on it so I can display it in my home. So we're going to start off by, I'm going to lay it on a couple of napkins so I can keep from getting it outside on the outside edges. But what we start out with is with a nice spray across the board. Give it a nice little, so it can kind of get the board wet to where it won't be any issues in it. And then all you do is just scrape as much as you possibly can off. And if you have a nice amount of water, of your distilled water on the board, it will come out as easy and without leaving any shadows. So it's really, really, really amazing to see. And I'm just going to scrape it off onto the napkin so you guys can kind of see. I'm going to wipe then I give one more spray right across, and I'm going to scoot it. And just go one more time across. One more time across, and then I'm going to just wipe with the napkin. Wipe with the napkin really nicely. Across the top. Give one good water spray. Then wipe again. And put these items to the side. And there you have it. The board and base, it's really that easy. It cleans off really nicely, and it doesn't leave any marks or anything anywhere. It does a really amazing job with the paste scraper. If you don't have the paste scraper, it's always easy to use just a napkin. You spray really well with what you have, or you can use our amazing spray bottles that we have. But if you don't have that, you can go ahead and just use any type of spray that you have that has water in it, and you can go from there. So the object that I wanted to put onto my screen, onto my board, would be the amazing Be Bold, Be Brave, Be Brilliant. So it's really cute. It fits amazingly onto this base. I'm going to put this to the side. And then I'm going to get my fuzzing cloth, because this is the next step. You get the fuzzing cloth that you have, or whatever object that you have to fuzz that's more like terry cloth. And then you can, remember, you peel from top to bottom. You have to peel so you can make sure that you get everything, and you don't want to stretch your transfer. So you peel from top to bottom, just like that, and you can put your backer to the side, and then we're gonna fuzz. This is one of my newest transfers, so I have to fuzz a little more than what you would with the older transfers. Sometimes the older transfers keeps a little bit of the fuzz from the last time, so you won't have to fuzz it that much. But some of the newer ones, it's always a good idea to make sure you're fuzzing a generous amount of time so that you won't really have to worry about it sticking to your surface. I find that most of the time it sticks a little bit more to like metal and things like that. So I'll lay it down. It's a little crooked, so I'm going to scoot it over. But once you get it down, get it fuzzed and nice and neat, you can center it to your whatever surface you're going to use. Center it however you would like it to where you can get started, and then make sure that the only thing that you're going to paste is the screen part, the more of the screen part. And that's the parts that I mostly make sure that I'm laying down so that I won't have it any other way, so that it won't mess up when I peel it up after we paste. So I'm gonna kind of do it to where it's towards you guys, but we'll see how that works. I got a couple paste stair sticks, and what I'm going to be using is our shimmer silver and our bright white. I have my son in the background, you guys, so that's what you hear if you hear anything. But I'm going to stir up the bright white. Put that to the side. And then this one is the shimmer silver. There's also more lines of a different color than in this actual shimmer color. I think there's a copper, the silver, and then it might be another one. I think it might be a gold, but you can check out my chalk site. I will put that in the description if you want to look at any of the shimmer colors that we have, because those are really pretty colors. Right now, I just have the shimmer silver right now, so, but it's really, really nice. Okay, so I'm going to do the Be Bold, Be Brave, and Be Brilliant real quick, and I'm going to do it in the white. So the Be Bold, Be Brave, and Be Brilliant. The Be Bold, I'll do in the white, so we'll go straight over. Nice consistency to where you have, and the Be Brave is also in that color, so I'm going to go straight down, all the way down to the Be Brave also. Make sure I got it all in the more of the screen areas that we were talking about. Make sure you get it all in there to have a nice consistent layer. And then when you peel, it can just peel that first layer off, and then it'll still have that amazing layer towards the bottom. Okay, then I'm going to get all the excess off. The good thing about our boards that you can erase, you have that option to like if you go off of the board or off of the transfer, you can always use water and get that edge to where you missed. Just wipe it off in a nice way, and it works out perfectly. And I think I went off, so I'll kind of show you guys. Okay, this is the Simmer Silver. And I get a nice little layer, few layers over the Be Brilliant to make sure I got every piece of the screen. And then I get my excess. Put in my jar, put that to the side, and there go. See right here in this corner where I have a little bit off of the board, I will show you how to get that. But then we're gonna peel. I'm gonna get one little corner so I can get to the center and lift straight up. Just lift straight up. And then you put your transfer face down, sticky side up, into your water. And then there's that piece. But what you can do, get a little bit of a napkin, dip into water, and right there where I have that spot, you can just wipe off, and it's just like that. So then you can also dry it if you would prefer, but it works out better if you you can let it set and dry if that works out for you, but it stays like that, and it'll be a nice little brilliant display. I just wanted to change it up for my home, and then that's how it turned out. I love it. If you have any questions, please make sure you comment below. Also, please make sure you like and hit the notification bell and subscribe. And if you please follow my Instagram at Creations by Autumn 1. And I will see you next time. Thank you guys.